Hello once again. Thank you so much for joining this Chester of the Exams Pro Masterclass Review Center. Now we're here for our civil service exams review, the numerical ability part. Now, what we got here is a problem. A company's monthly sales were 80,000 last month. This month's sale increased by 15%. Now, the question is, what are the new monthly sales? Letter A, 12,000. Letter B, 68,000. Letter C, 88,000. Letter D, 92,000. Alin kaya dito ang tamang sagot? Okay? So, pagdating po sa sa percentage problem, kailangan po i-breakdown natin. Alam natin na ang 50% is 10% plus 5%. That way, madali natin makompute o mahati-hati yung makuha natin yung 15% ng 80K. So, what's 10% of 80,000? Madali lang po. Hatiin natin sa 10, kumuha tayo ng isa. That is 8,000. How about 5%? Hatiin natin sa dalawa yung 8,000. That is 4,000. Pag inad po natin yan na po ang 15% ng 80,000. That is 12,000. Pero hindi pa po yan sagot. Hindi pwede po ang sagot ay letter A, no? So plausible distractor po siya. Baka yun yung isagot natin, mali po siya. Okay? Ang tanong kasi po ni civil service, the new. Alin po yung bago? New. Okay? Tapos meron pang increased, no? Tapos yung last month. So yung increase i-add natin sa last month. That is 80,000 plus 12,000. Ang sagot po ay 92,000. Okay? Lesson po dito, hindi kaagad po yung sagot yung kung ano po yung lumabas. Kailangan matapatan po natin yung tanong ni civil service. Pwede pong ma-deduct natin yung 15% dun sa 80,000. Ang sagot is 68K. Hindi po yan yung tamang sagot. Ang tamang sagot po is letter D, 92,000. Alright, yan po muna sa video ito. Sana po'y makatulong po ito pag-take ninyo ng civil service exams. That's all. See you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.